Welcome to another episode of DSLR trainings. Today we're going to be talking about filming settings on a Canon 70 using the manual feature. So let's begin. I've switched on my camera, it's on, and I've turned it to manual mode. I've gone to the filming icon and changed it to the filming icon, so now I'm filming. And then once I've got it up, I've got some features here. So if I click on the menu, I can go and erase elements through my main menu. Don't want to do that, I'm just going to click on the Q button. Okay, so I've clicked on the Q button, and then here I've got these three icons. I've got RAW, I've got my frame, frames per second in terms of the 1080, 720 file size that I'm filming at. And at the moment I'm filming a 1080, so I can change things. So if I click on the menu button, or I click on this little asterisk button over here, this one over here, I get a lot more features show up. If I want to change any of these, all I do is click on that and just change my wheel, and I can change my frame rate to 640 by 480, 720 to 1080. So you can see how easy it is to change. If I click on the Q button again, use this little dial to move up and down, I can change the files. At the moment I'm shooting RAW, so I can change it down to large, 18 megapixels, medium, 8 megapixels. So if I want to shoot at 8 megapixels, I select that, and now I'm shooting at that, because obviously you don't want to keep going into settings and sort of going to the menu and sort of changing it like through the menu. You want to do it quickly while you're on location. So this button here is Q button, and then sort of if you click on that and then hover through this, you can change the sort of depth of field. I think this button is, or you can sort of hover through this one and change your file size and your 720 1080p file size down this way. So it's quicker rather than going to your menu and then flicking through this, finding what you want to change. It's just a quick way, just by having it on manual mode, having your filming and just clicking on the Q button, the little asterisk button, to be able to hover through and change what you need to at a quick pace. Thank you for watching, guys. Any questions, please post and I will get back to you with any questions. Thank you, bye bye.